Hello everyone, got another product review here. This is another item that I got off of Amazon. And what it is, it's a wood burning set and soldering set all in one. It comes in this here little case and it has a zipper around it where you can unzip it. When you open this up, this is what you get. I haven't used this yet or anything. This is the way it was packaged when I got it. You have this here little pamphlet that comes with it. We'll see what it says. A lot of Japanese writing on it, or Chinese. On the other side you have the English. It says the power of this is a 60 watt / 90 watt. It's 110 volt or 220 it says, but probably just 110 is what you run it off of. And it says that it's got a guard wire end. We'll take this out of here and look at it, which is right there. Handle tube of the soldering iron, warm key, power switch, cooling key, adjustable skidding jacket, high temperature pullover, soldering bit, joint point, steel tube, and a soldering bit. Says it will get up to, I think it was like 450 degrees. I'm not seeing it on here. Oh, here it is. It'll get up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. So it gets pretty hot from the sounds of it. We'll plug this in and we'll see what it actually does. I'll have to put a tip in it. And it comes with this here little set of tips. There's like 5 different ones in there. And you also have this here, which is for soldering, and you can suck the solder up when it's melted. You just push this down, you hold it down by where the solder is, and you would let it pop back up and it would suck the solder up in there. And you can pull this apart and clean it out when it gets full. They give you a little tube of solder for if you're soldering circuit boards or wires. Has a little stand and a little pad in the bottom of it so you can clean your tip off in it. You got to dampen that a little bit. You have another part that goes on here if you wanted to put it on. Depends on what you're doing and everything on it. And you get a little pair of tweezers for if you're doing like little wiring and stuff and got to get close to it and everything. I think these would come in really handy. And you get a set of wood burning tips here. There's a 28 piece tip set here. It has the knife blade in it that you can put it on and it'll heat up and you cut through stuff easier. And it has a bunch of different tips here. And some of them, it looks like it may have designs on it. But I think this might be a good little set. We'll go ahead and plug this in and turn it on after I put a tip on it. If I can get them open. And they're really good. Kind of tight in the plastic here. Okay, there, I got it out. Now to figure out how it goes on there. And apparently you got to open this up and get the piece out that goes actually on it. Screw this here part onto it. I think this is child-proof. Glad I did open it up there. There's some stencils inside it that you could trace and wood burn onto something. After you open this up, you might want to get you a little container to put all your tips in. If not, you're never going to get these all back in here, I don't think. Be careful with the knife blade, because I just flung it out of there and I don't know where it went to. Oh, there it is. I think it would be better just screwing this tip on until I actually figure this out, how that actually goes. But you can put that little tip on there, and this loosens up here and slides outward, I think, or comes off of there. Yes, it comes off of there, and it has that little tube inside it that heats up. As you can tell, this is the first time I've messed with this. Maybe I should have took it out of the pack and tried it out first. On here, it has the little buttons for you to turn it on. So we'll go ahead and try to turn it on. I didn't have it plugged in good. Okay, and once it turns on, it'll light up like that. And it's digital there on. So we're going to crank this up all the way. And we'll see how fast it heats up here. I'll try it on some of the solder that they sent us. Be nice if this heats up really fast, but I don't think it's going to. But overall, I think it'll be a really good wood burner, especially for beginners or if you're just soldering like circuit boards or wires. Oh, it's already heated up enough for the solder actually. As you can see, it's melting right through it. So that was pretty quick for it to get hot enough. My other ones I have does not heat up that quick. unless you get my really fancy one out. But this one, for what it is, it heats up pretty quick. So I do like it. Be good for the small jobs. And to turn it off, you just hold that red button in until the display goes off of it. But overall, I think this set's really good. Be nice if this came with the bits and that, and another container that you could store it in better. But overall, I don't think it's a really bad set. I would recommend them, especially for the beginner. So I'll put the link down below, like I said, and don't forget to comment, like my videos, and subscribe. And have a great day, everybody. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye.